In this presentation, I will be talking about the foundations of the business communication. I will be covering three main topics: understanding business communication, team and intercultural communication, and also interpersonal communication skills and how to improve them. Let's dive right in the first topic, understanding business communication. First, let's answer the question, what is communication? Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages, sometimes through spoken or written words, and sometimes non-verbally through gestures, facial expressions, and voice qualities. Communication has a few components. The components are the communication need, which is why do we need to send a message, the sender, the message itself, the audience or the receiver, and also the response or feedback. Now let's talk about direction of communication. There are three main directions: downward, upward, and horizontal. The downward communication is the flow of information from managers to employees. The upward one is the flow of information from lower level employees to upper level employees or managers. And then the last horizontal information is the flow of information amongst peers within the organization. Communication barriers are barriers that interfere with the communication process. They can be nonverbal or verbal, and a few examples of these types of barriers are shown in the picture. Now let's check out the second topic, team and intercultural communication. Start by answering, what is a team? A team is a group of individuals who depend on each other to accomplish a common objective. There are a few factors that can interfere this communication between team members, and these can be the conflict, conformity, or the consensus. Another important aspect of communication is intercultural communication. Intercultural communication takes place between people from different cultures when a message is created by someone from one culture to be understood by someone from another one. In order to be good at intercultural communication, we need to maintain formality, show respect, communicate clearly, and be open-minded. Lastly, our last topic covers interpersonal communication skills and how to improve them. Verbal communication plays a huge part on the communication process. That's why we always need to be attentive of our body language, voice qualities, time, touch, space, and territory in order to not send messages that we don't intend to. Listening and empathy are also two important aspects of communication. Not only we need to be good listeners, but we need to show empathy to someone's feelings. Some some keys to be a better listener are to give the speaker the undivided attention, and also while doing this, we need to stay open-minded and try to understand their viewpoints. To conclude, I wanted to share this quote from Jane Combe, which says, "Communication is at the very core of our society. That's what makes us human." Thank you for your attention.